Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I want to thank you all so much for being here today. This week's video, I am doing a deep clean of my microwave. I do clean the inside here and there, but since moving into this house, I have not done a deep clean of the outside. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on today. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Also give it a thumbs up because that definitely helps me out. I had a pretty good layer of grease sitting on the top of my microwave as well as on my cabinet, and I wish I had gotten more footage cleaning that, so I do apologize, but I used my little Bissell steam cleaner and it did such a great job. It got all the grease off. I would highly recommend using that if you have that same issue. As far as the rest of my microwave goes, I just used the Dawn dish soap since it is a degreaser, and I feel it did a pretty decent job.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn
wanted to pop in just to say hello and that I hope everyone's week is going well. I did have a question for everybody. So basically when I film my videos, I try not to be too chatty on here, and I just wanted to get your thoughts on that and see if you feel like I should be doing more voiceovers and be more detailed in explaining the things that I'm doing and the things that I'm using, or if you feel like you already get a clear understanding of all of that, so it's okay for me not to be super talkative on here. I would love to hear your thoughts, so please leave me a comment. It'll definitely help me out with my future videos.
You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew.
Normally when I clean my microwave, I wouldn't even bother scrubbing these vents. They're super cheap to buy off of Amazon, and I would just bypass all this and replace it with a totally new vent. I didn't have any handy, so that's why I went ahead and scrubbed it, but even then I didn't get it completely clean.
I'm around, I'll be around, yeah.
Alright you guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully I was able to give you plenty of deep cleaning motivation. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I also really hope that I will see you next week for a brand new video. And with that being said, you already know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.